Crush it on my head.
Try it.
Hell no.
Try it.
Just like that?
Yeah. Ooh. Nice facial expression.
Okay. I'm done. That kind of hurt.
Okay, my turn.
Smiling. Oh, excited. But I'm kind of weak, so. My nails. I don't want to break my nails.
What a girl!
I'm just kidding.
It's almost funny because we were hella burping earlier.
That's our man side.
Couple bottom jeans, boots with the fur, the whole club was looking at her.
Oh, should I do that too?
Did you do? There we go.
Oh.
Low. And when the Reeboks with
I win.
we turn around and give that big booty a slap. The floor, next thing you know.